How to restore Snapchat streaks without paying. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, start by opening up your Snapchat, and you have to simply click on your profile on the top left corner. So now you have to simply click on this settings button on the top right corner. Once you have entered here, scroll all the way down to this support, and you have to simply click on this I lost my snap streak. If you can't see this option, you have to simply click on this I need help, and this will take you to their official help center. Once you have entered here, as you can see, I lost my snap streak, which is on the top middle, so simply click on that. So once you have entered here, these are all the 6 steps which you can take to recover your snap streak. So the old method was, if I show you this important note, so the old method was to restore the streak is filling out the form on their sports site to restore their snap streak. So that is no longer supported. So this was an old method which is no longer supported by Snapchat. So as you can see in the important note section, so all you have to do is to simply go to your chat feed in the Snapchat app. If a streak has ended recently, you will see a remove or restore button next to that friend's name on your chat feed. Tap the restore button. This will open to reply camera where you will start the restore process. Take a snap and send it to your friend. Follow the on-screen instruction to finish restoring your streak. So this is the method where you can simply restore your streak without even paying. So that's how basically you can restore Snapchat streaks without paying.